Alright, so you're doing your Delta links on your Volvo V platform. This one's your S70 variety. I think it's the V platform anyway, but this is basically your uh, rear beam bushing assembly. It comes as a little link, comes out of here. I'm not gonna go through the whole how to do it deal. It's really relatively simple, but getting it out of there is the pain, and all the videos you'll find will be people using the Volvo tool, which costs right around $100. Not too bad, but this is really something you're only going to have to do probably once, maybe twice in the lifetime of the car. So I'm not sure if shelling out $100 is worth it. So I'm going to show you my method, and you can adapt it, and hopefully it works out for you as well. But basically, tools required are going to be well, safety first. You're going to want a fire extinguisher around, but really your process is going to be, there's a strap back there, not sure if you can see, but that's holding the rear beam back taut. And what I did here is obviously got it very, very hot with the propane torch to the point where the bushing was melting out, and hooked it up here so you can see. That's what I used to put tension on it the other way. That's my four-wheeler winch anyway, you know, just a 1,200 pound winch. Didn't really have to put that much tension on it, so you can see it's burnt up pretty good. Really, if you just get it hot enough and melt it good enough, you can pull it out of there with your hand. You don't really even need say a winch or a come along or a bunch of straps I've seen people use. Really, heat's your best friend there. As far as going back in, you know, since I melted the crap out of it, you just got to make sure you clean it up inside really nice, and then I just hit the bushing area with a little bit of assembly goo and pound it in. The other side went in fine. I don't see why this side won't, but yeah, there you go. You know, why shell out $100 for a tool when you got, you know, some of you might not have a four-wheeler laying around, but you might have, say, a come along, you know, one of those cable jacks, or just a bunch of straps and a bunch of strong buddies. But basically, pull it one way, grab it up, pull it the other way, get it really, really hot, they fall right out and they go in no problem. There's my pro tech tip for these Volvo Delta links.